variation of Z with pressure at different temperatures for a gas. Let us consider a gas something like nitrogen gas. If I consider some gas, what will be the effect of Z with respect to pressure at different temperatures? Let us see. If I take a graph taking Z on y-axis and pressure on x-axis, we know a horizontal line parallel to x-axis indicates Z is equals to 1. This is representing an ideal gas behavior. Now if you consider here the graphs, if I draw different types of graphs which can be possible, let us see at the lowest temperature possible and the highest temperature possible. From lowest temperature, if I move, this is the lowest temperature, let us say T1 is the lowest temperature possible. If I move to the next lowest temperature to the highest, slightly if I move to the higher temperature, it will be the higher temperature where this will be moving towards T2, and if I am moving to the next highest temperature possible, this will be going towards the highest temperature T3, and the next temperature which is possible is T4. Now when you are taking in this particular one the graphical representations, I'll be just showing you the graphical representations over here. This is corresponding to temperature T1, T2, T3 and T4. You can clearly understand as the depression in the curve is decreasing, the curve is becoming more and more flattened towards the other end above the horizontal line. You can see as the T1 is moving towards T3, the flattening of that particular curve is moving in the direction of T4. You can clearly see. Now what is happening? This is the direction of increasing temperature at the same time. This is the direction of increasing temperature, increase in temperature. So the temperature is increasing directions. So the graphically, what can be observed in this particular one, what is observed is if I am taking at lowest temperature at T1, if you observe at T1 the lowest temperature possible, the depression in the Z depression of Z is inversely proportional to temperature. When you take the depression in the Z, it is inversely proportional to temperature. If temperature is more, depression is less. This is at low pressure conditions. At low pressure conditions, depression in Z is inversely proportional to temperature. So more is the deviation, indicates the lowest temperature, and this indicates that tendency of liquefaction is maximum. Tendency of gas to liquefy is maximum. Now moving towards the greater and greater temperatures, what will happen? The tendency to liquefy decreases, and finally when it goes to a positive deviation, there is no liquefaction possible at all. So we can understand from graphically, this is one conclusion. More the deviation, that too negative deviation, more the negative deviation of Z, negative deviation if I am talking about, more the negative deviation observed in the case of Z, lowest temperature it attained, and at lowest temperature it is more easy to liquefy the gas, and the conclusion can be taken is the depression in the negative depression, if I am talking about, the depression in the Z is inversely proportional to temperature.